kuma hindi ria riboti ya kamiti ya miario ya uiguiano NADCO yandikirwo ni kamiti ya uiguiano iria yatongoretio ni Kalonzo Musyoka na Kimani wa Ichung'wa na thutha wake kurikiririo mweri wa Novemba mwaka muthiru. Riboti ino ni thiete na mbere na gutimura maoni ngurani kuma kuri muingi. Kuringana na Muikarari giti wa kanju ya makanitha NCCK gicigoini kia muhuro wa Rift Valley Muthikabu Peter Muiruri uria ariirie nyumba cia mohoro ari mucemanio-ini wa kanju ino kaunti-ini ya Nakuru niaikirie ritana kuri atongoria a Kenya Kwanza na Azimio kuhee akenya ihinda riiganu ria guthoma na gutaukwo riboti ino.
We urge both proponent of the NADCO process, the Kenya Kwanza government and the Azimio wing to ensure that the Kenya participate have adequate time to read and understand the NADCO proposals and bills.
Muthikabu Peter nioririe thirikari Ukinyaniria akenya riboti ino itahoritwo kuma ruthiomi rwa githungu kinya githwaeri niguo akenya aingi mahote guthoma na gutaukwo. Niathaithite thirikari gwitikira guthomithia akenya riboti ino niguo mahote kuheana maoni mao.
The NADCO process proposals in both national language, English and Kiswahili version, for all Kenyans to read and be informed. Roll out civic education on the NADCO to have all informed populate.
Muthikabu Peter niongereire na kuga ni mamaketio ni ngucanio iria ikoretwo gatagati-ini ka governor wa kaunti ya Nakuru Susan Kihika na senator wa kaunti ino Tabitha Karanja, akiuga meta kanitha ni meguteithiriria kuiguithania atongoria aya eri niguo aikari a kaunti ino kugunika na tabarĩra cia uthii wa na mbere.
However, we take note of the bitter rivalry existing between the governor and the senator.
Muthikabu Peter oho ni oritie kiama kia arigitani bururi-ini KMPDU gwitigira guikara thi na thirikari niguo gucaria kihonie kia mugomo uria ukoretwo bururi-ini wa madagitari.
We greatly compound the already existing challenges ailing the health sector. To solve these issues, we recommend the government to honor its part of bargaining and address the issues amicably favoring all stakeholders.
Gerifotera Muthigi TV. Jitago Joshua Jugona.